And one more example let me give. X-axis, the motion is confined to x-axis. Origin, let me take this as plus 10, plus 20, plus 30. X is in meters. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. So if initially the object is at 20 meters, so r1 bar is equal to 20 I cap. Finally it come to here, so followed this one, so r2 bar is equal to minus 10 I cap, because from here we are going to measure. This is initial position vector. So r2 bar minus r1 bar is s bar, that is equal to r2 bar minus r1 bar. Okay. Here only x coordinate is changing, because position vector means xi cap plus yj cap. So y coordinate is not changing. That's why most of the teachers prefer to write this as x1 bar instead of writing r1 bar, and they prefer to write this as x2 bar instead of writing r2 bar. So now also displacement is equal to x2 bar minus x1 bar, no problem. That is minus 10 I cap minus 20 I cap. And here also some other teachers, what they do is, anyway there is no y coordinate, there is no z coordinate, so only x coordinate is changing. That means either plus I cap or either minus I cap. With minus I cap we have to multiply this x value. That's why instead of taking I cap or minus I cap, they prefer to take like this: x1 bar is equal to plus 20 and x2 bar is equal to minus 10. Plus means into plus I cap, minus means into minus I cap. So they prefer to take like this. So s bar, again they calculate x2 minus x1, so minus 10 minus of plus 20. What do you get? Minus 30, minus 30 meters. So 30 is magnitude and minus sign gives you direction, and it means that its direction is along negative x-axis, because displacement is always from initial position to final position. This is the method what they follow. Even I have observed somebody don't take even bar. Of course those are vector quantities, but they don't take bars. Directly they are going to take x1 is equal to plus 20, x2 is equal to minus 10. So displacement directly they write like this. So displacement is equal to x2 minus x1, that is minus 10 minus of plus 20, so minus 30 meters. So minus means it is displacement, so it has a direction. So negative sign talks about direction. 30 meters is the magnitude of displacement. You can take r1 bar, r2 bar, or x1 bar, x2 bar in terms of I cap, j cap, or x1 bar, x2 bar plus minus sign, or x1, x2 with the plus minus sign. Which is correct? All are correct. That depends on the teacher which notation that they are going to follow.